pageant, I'd come to talk to Dr. Chaitra about some skin issues that were bothering me. In a span of about 2 months, she made my skin look so healthy and so naturally beautiful that it was observed and appreciated by the jury at the pageant that I won.
Hi Bhavna, how are you today?
I'm good, Doc. How are you?
Good. So what am I doing for you?
So I've heard a lot about Cosmoderma, and also there's this contest that I want to participate in. It's called Femina Style Diva, and I'm really excited about it. I want to be properly prepared. I want to be confident when I, participate in it, and I want to win. So,
of course, it's good that you came to us, Bhavna, before you started on your journey of your beauty pageant and all of this. The reason is a lot of people forget that it's important to look good naturally. I'm sure when you get into the pageant, you'll see that a lot of the time you're just going to be natural without makeup. And that's what judges look for, a natural beauty. It's not a made-up beauty anymore. Okay. So I've got your analysis already, and I'll just show you what I'm looking at. So if you look, what I sense is a little bit of pigmentation. Okay. So I feel that we need to deal with the pigmentation so that your skin has one even tone. When it does, it looks like a blank canvas. Then the light reflects off it beautifully and it makes you more photogenic. Okay. And the other thing we have to look at is hydrating your skin. I can sense there's a little bit of dehydration, especially in your under eye area and around your mouth and lip corners. So I think if we hydrate it, that'll be great. The reason is you're going to be under bright lights, lots of flash and a lot of outdoor shoots, and your skin will dehydrate. Again, air conditioning shoots and all of that. So if you hydrate your skin, the makeup stays on for long and your skin will have that nice glowy natural look. Because I think when you're photographing, people always like look good, look glowy, look glam, etc., right? And that comes from a good skin health. And from what you tell me, you already have a healthy diet.
Yes, I do.
Excellent. So the inside's good. So let's work on the outside then. And for this, what we'll do is we'll start you with the skincare. Okay. Are you using a sunscreen at all?
No, I know I'm supposed to, but I don't.
Alright, your best friend for life is going to be your sunscreen and the vitamin C serum. So we'll give you that Skin Bright serum. That'll be your best friend forever. Okay? You're going to brush your teeth, you got to put your serum on.
Okay.
Alright? So start with that and put on your sunscreen every day, no matter what. The only time is when you're shooting. Because of the thick makeup, you may not be able to use a sunscreen, but definitely use the Skin Bright serum and that'll look great. And for the pigmentation, I'll get you onto a D-Tan program with a D-Tan lotion from our Cosmocare brand. It's beautiful, it's perfect for Indian skin. It'll take care of the pigmentation, tanning, etc. on your body and on your face.
Great.
Alright, and we'll just start with very mild treatments for you in our beautification program.
Okay.
And I think you look beautiful already, and I think with just a little bit of hydration and getting your tone fixed, you're definitely gonna win.
Thanks, Doc.
Alright.
I underwent the laser hair removal package and also some basic skin maintenance packages which included skin hydration and exfoliation. It proved out to be really helpful, and they gave me a basic home care kit which I could use at home, and it was really convenient because they were just a pack of creams which I could apply now and then. For the months, I have seen a progressive improvement on my skin, and the makeup really stands out now when I do ramp shows or photo shoots. The doctors at Cosmoderma are extremely helpful and they're extremely knowledgeable. When it comes to skin and skin health, we think twice about taking someone else's advice. But the doctors here are so detailed about every single thing that they tell you that you get convinced anyway. Thank you, Dr. Chaitra and team. I hope to achieve a lot more with Cosmoderma by my side.